Naman na po natin live sa studio si Congressman Marco Wangco po ng 2nd District of Pangasinan, chairperson po ng Special Committee on Nuclear Energy. Good morning, Kong Mark. Welcome back to ASPN.
Good morning, Kong.
Ayan, congratulations. Kasi nga, parang nabanggit ulit. I mean, hindi parang...
Wala pa po.
Wala pa.
Wala pa pong nangyayari. So, I would like to be happy, but I am reserving that for when something happens. I am just more hopeful now that the government finally recognizes the urgency.
Because you said, I mentioned before we went, when we were on commercial break, na nabanggit na ng presidente sa unang SONA niya na dapat natin i-considera.
Use the same words.
Use the same words. And sabi mo, since 2022, di ba, walang nangyaring pag-usad.
Concrete.
Concrete.
May mga ilang nangyayari, but more on lip service and peripheral issues. May batas tayong naisagawa, but by the skin of our teeth. On the last day lang naipasa yun of the 19th Congress.
Okay. So, Kong Mark, now that he has said it twice, no, in the first and the fifth SONA, how do you think now you can move this forward talaga para at least before the president steps down, may nakikita tayong pagbabago?
Tingin ko talaga ang talagang problema is hindi kaya ni Sharon Garin ang nuclear. Dapat talaga mag-assign po si presidente ng isang full-time na USEC at saka mag-create siya ng Office of Nuclear Energy under the maybe under the Office of the President. No? Alam mo si MVP nag-commit ng 6,000 megawatts na bibili niya lahat basta merong ma-produce, di ba? So hanggang maabot yung maging online yung 6,000 megawatts, dapat manatili yung Office of Nuclear Energy under the OP. And then later on, pagka normalized na ang nuclear sa Pilipinas, that's the time na pwedeng ibalik sa DOE, but still under a dedicated USEC na hindi ang daming responsibilidad ni Sharon. Alam mo, langis, lahat. No? So, hindi niya kaya. Hindi niya kaya. Unang-una, she's not an engineer. Abogado siya. Ganon din ang naging predecessor niya. Hindi sila inhinyero. Kaya hindi nila na-appreciate yung nuances ng mga desisyon nila.
My follow-up question lang there, Kong Mark, is is it the lack of political will to do it? Or is it more a case
doon sa departamento, sa DOE, I think it is a bureaucratic attitude. Gusto ko safe ako, gusto ko protektahan yung trabaho ko, ayoko mag-lead, sunod-sunuran lang ako sa agos ng whatever, di ba? Hindi na po ganun ang sitwasyon. Kailangan po ng strongly...
will.
Exactly. Alam mo, sana kunin na lang nila yung halimbawa ng lahat ng buong mundo. Sa Amerika, traditionally, anti-nuclear ang Democrats. Under Biden, nagbago po sila. Sinabi po nila, dapat matriple ang nuclear sa mundo, hindi lang sa Amerika. Di ba? Sila ang nagtulak na sa COP28, ideklara ng mga OECD countries that net zero without nuclear is impossible, and that the world needs to triple nuclear by 2050, right? And that the rich countries should help the poor countries finance nuclear, right? Alam nyo sa OECD, 3 na lang ang bansa na hindi sumasang-ayon, and that is Spain, Germany, and Austria. Ang lahat ng iba bumaliktad na, dating kontra, ngayon sang-ayon na. O ngayon, nanalo si Trump sa pagka-presidente. Anong nangyari na nung Republicans na? Sinabi nila, kulang yung triple. Kailangan quadruple. You know how many nuclear plants that is in America alone? 375 new nuclear plants. Yes.
Under the Trump administration
alone?
Wow.
So, ito, ang unang nagawa ni Trump is na hinikayat niya ang Japan mag-invest ng $80
yes.
billion
Oo.
sa Amerika to construct no nuclear plants.
Oh.
Right?
Yeah.
Hindi ba nandyan na yung handwriting on
In
the
wall.
wall na
Oo, na
dapat
safe. Oo.
magising-gising
Oo.
na
Oo.
si
Si,
Secretary
Sharon.
Sharon, di ba, na, hoy, mali na yung ginagawa mo. No? Kasi wind and solar, itong mga bansang ito, umaatras na dyan. Bakit tayo sumusulong pa?
Bakit sila umaatras sa wind and
Because
solar?
it is intermittent.
Hindi siya consistent.
When there's
Yeah.
no sun,
There's
and
no
there's no
solar.
wind, there's
Yeah.
none.
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
So even how big you build that,
No farms.
when those situations arise,
Dependent.
wala kang kuryente. So
Yeah.
ano ang mapipilitan na gawin mo?
Oh.
Ang mapipilitan ka is mag-construct ka ng LNG power plants. Ang LNG, pinag-aagawan ng mga mayayaman na bansa ng mundo. The rich countries of Europe, right? Dito sa Asia, Korea, Taiwan, Japan, China.
Yeah.
Ang China po, tinakyaw nila ang LNG ng mga small Arab countries for the next 30 years. Kaya ba natin makipagkompetensya?
Yeah, oo.
Ngayon, so sino ang kakausapin natin? China ba?
China, oo.
Inaangkin ang ating lupa sa West
sa
Philippine Sea.
Oo,
So bakit natin gusto maging dependent sa isang bansa na ganyan?
Okay.
Okay, sir, ito, napag-usapan nga natin kanina, no? I was watching the SONA. I'm sure you were there.
Yes.
Were you surprised as I was nung bigla sa reaction po ng mga kongresista? Is it positive? Malamang positive siya kasi it's parang kalahati po yung nag-standing ovation.
Hindi ko
no?
ini-expect. No? And then I didn't even know that the president said it. I had to ask, ano ba sinabi niya? And then,
You couldn't believe it,
and then nadinig ko yung applause.
Yes,
no? Then
yes.
nakita ko si Presidente sumisilip doon sa
Hinanap ka ba?
teleprompter.
Parang ikaw,
kaya
talking
nag-wave
to you.
ako. And then, nagulat po ako doon sa applause. No?
Diba?
Hindi ko akalain na organic na pala ang kagustuhan ng solusyon sa mataas na presyo ng kuryente.
Oo. Pero kayo nga, Mark, bilang mambabatas, and then you saw nga the reaction, the positive reaction, what steps can you do now to push the envelope
Alam
further
mo,
talaga?
kagagaling lang po namin, 6 po kaming kongresista na inimbita ng US State Department para pumunta sa Washington, D.C. and Tennessee para makita ang nuclear, i-discuss ang nuclear. Marami po kaming na-meet na mga kongresista, senador, yung mga DOE na undersecretary on energy.
Yeah.
Alam mo, ang pakiramdam nila, hindi tayo seryoso. Right?
because?
Kasi, for example, nandyan na po ang Republic Act 12305, no? Which mandated that 180 days from the day of the enactment, tapos na dapat ang implementing rules and regulations nung batas na yon. Alam mo ba na hanggang ngayon hindi pa na-appoint ni Presidente ang 4 na DDG tsaka isang DG.
What is DDG?
Deputy Director General at Director General. So kung hindi mo ma-constitute ang PhilAtom,
Composition,
paano mo gagawin yung IRR? Nakalagay doon, hindi pwedeng gawin ng ibang ahensya. Kailangan
PhilAtom.
sila talaga ang gagawa.
May mga tao naman po.
So I blame wrong advice of the DOE to the President. They're keeping him in the dark, right? Or ito ang suspetya ko.
Okay.
May vested interest po dyan sa DOE. Ngayon, ginagamit po nila ang wind and solar as the Trojan horse, right? To enter the LNG importation market. Kasi when you do a lot of wind and solar, you automatically need backup.
Yeah, backup.
Ano ang backup?
Hindi
It's
naman pwedeng
LNG.
coal.
Bawal na ang coal,
kaya
di ba?
nga, coal
So
and
we
diesel,
cannot
yeah.
construct new coal.
Power plants,
So
yeah.
we will construct new
LNG.
Ito ang problema. for every new LNG plant we build, we are excluding nuclear for the next 40 years. Why?
Excluding again.
Yes.
Again.
Why? Kasi naglagay ka
Namumuna
na ng...
na.
Yeah, exactly.
Namumuna
Hindi mo
na.
naman pwedeng stranded yon, di ba?
Pero
Oh.
isn't that going, if the EPIRA is amended, won't that affect?
Well, I don't want to amend EPIRA.
You don't
EPIRA.
want?
I want to write a new law which will have provisions which will overcome the deficiencies of EPIRA. For example,
Sige.
I want to set I want a national debate on what our total nuclear aspiration should be.
Oh.
I am proposing a minimum of 16,000 megawatts of nuclear to be online
Wow.
before the end of
16,000?
2045.
Oh.
Up to 32,000 megawatts to be online before the end of 2045. What's my basis for those numbers? Total capacity ng Pilipinas ngayon is 22,000
Yun na nga
megawatts.
doble na.
Imported coal is 65%, malampaya is 10%, total fossil fuel of 75%. That's about 17,500 megawatts of fossil fuel. Sabi ni DepDev, NEDA, kailangan dumoble hanggang trumiple ang power generating capacity ng Pilipinas by 2040, right? So 2045 is conservative as far as I'm concerned, right? So if 17,500 yung existing fossil fuel, without touching that at all, we have space for another 17,500 of nuclear, right? In the double scenario.
Okay.
I'm being a bit more conservative.
Conservative.
I'm saying 16,000 lang.
Yeah.
22,000 yung double, di ba? So 22 minus 17.5, ilang libo pa for wind and
5,000.
solar. Hindi ko tinatanggal yung wind and solar.
Yeah.
So yun po, yun ang
The
mas
energy
practical.
mix,
Yes, mas practical, sigurado.
So ideally, yung energy mix natin by 2040, ang nuclear will what? Will contribute
Alam
about...
mo, na-compute ko na yan, kaya lang hindi ko ma-memorya,
Memorya,
no? Pero siguro mga 25-30%, di ba?
So that is a good mix if that
Yes,
happens.
Yes.
So
Absolutely.
geothermal, solar,
A sea change.
Yeah,
no?
yeah.
Let me give you the economics of nuclear. For every 1,000 megawatts of coal power generation, we need to import around $350 to $400 million worth of coal every year.
Mahal, no?
That
Grabe.
represents 51 Panamax size na barko. Right? So, I just
year.
want to give you the scale.
Scale, yeah, how
If it is nuclear, it is one truckload
Yeah, yun na
of
nga.
nuclear fuel, right? And it's only worth $20 million.
As opposed to 350 to 450.
Exactly. So, dun pa lang, yung burden on our foreign exchange, we will protect the value of the peso.
Yeah.
Hindi magdi-devalue because we will reduce our importation
Importation.
by such a huge
Yeah,
amount.
by 90%.
So ito nga, actually sir, that's why I asked a while ago about the reaction. Medyo malayo-layo na tayo yung
Yeah.
narating natin.
Yeah.
No? Because I saw the support, which was surprisingly good if you're an advocate, which you are,
Yes.
of this nuclear power plant. So, given this reaction po from your colleagues in Congress, are you expecting po na mas malakas ngayon yung magiging suporta, halimbawa sa pagpapasa ng mga batas, for example?
I hope, no?
Yes, because
So,
for example,
but-
sir,
Pero may die-hard na antay.
may mga diehard pa rin.
Mas
Yes.
marami
What are
ba?
the reasons? Ano po yung mga dahilan nila?
The old reason, the recycled,
The risk,
long disproven.
The waste, industrial waste.
Yes, the safety. You know, I don't talk about safety because I take it for granted that nuclear saves lives. The exact opposite. What we have adopted causes early premature mortality. Why? Highly pollutive ang coal, di ba?
Correct. Oo,
It
coal and
poisons
diesel.
our groundwater.
Yeah.
In summer, it becomes dust. We breathe it in, right?
So the pros and cons,
Walang
talagang
ganon ang
ang
nuclear.
nuclear. So,
Yeah.
ayun na nga po, I think the last time that we talked, no, kasi nga nung panahon ko, siguro yung mga mga ka-age ko siguro, or,
Yeah.
or even older than me.
Gaya-gaya lang sila sa trend sa Amerika noon. Eh.
Oo, yun. Kasi parang natatakot pag sinabi mong nuclear, naku,
Ang
magkaka-cancer
problema
ka, ganyan.
noon, walang historical basis to say na safe ang nuclear.
Pero ngayon
But
meron na
now
po.
we do.
We
We
do.
have more than 40 years of accumulated statistical data showing how safe nuclear is.
So, sir, siguro kung nakikinig po yung mga super anti, mga diehard anti, okay, or even our taga-subay.
The problem is it's not fact-based. Some of the anti is ideologically based. For example, the Bataan nuclear plant was used as a tool to demonize Marcos
Marcos,
Sr.
correct. Yeah,
Right?
oo.
So those that used that as a tool, I have a difficulty in reversing because they have to now admit that
they made
what
the
they said
mistake.
before was factually wrong, right?
But if you have the data,
Exactly.
wouldn't they be more open-minded
Wala na,
about
Wala
it?
hindi
silang
na.
pake.
Hindi
Ito
na,
po,
hindi
sir.
na.
Kasi ito, syempre, you would still need the public perception to be supportive,
Yeah.
di ba?
So,
kung halimbawa po, itong mga taga-subaybay natin na parang yung old school na pag-iisip, yung mga anti-anti na hindi nila nakikita yung datos, how can you exactly convince the Filipino people that this is a better option, that this is actually the best option?
I will never convince everybody. Pero ito yung gusto kong ibato sa iyo. Nagkaroon ng SWS survey 2 beses na nung panahon ni President Duterte that showed that majority of Filipinos want an answer to cheaper electricity and
yeah.
they think nuclear is the legitimate answer. Nagkaroon ulit ng SWS survey during the time of Sharon Garin. Tinago niya sa akin
yun
na
nga, that was
mahigit
what you
siyang
said.
taon.
Yeah.
Okay?
You mentioned
Ano
that
po
in the
nakalagay
last...
I
doon?
had to
Na-agree,
invoke
people like, oo.
I had to
Invoke
invoke
your position.
the FOI executive order and that's the only time she gave it to me.
Yeah, oo.
Right?
I remember you saying
I'm the
that.
chairman of
Yeah,
the Committee on Nuclear Energy
Yeah.
of the
And
House.
she kept it
Can
from
you
you.
imagine?
Oo.
What was her reason, sir? Ba't niya tinago
Whatever her
Hindi niya
reason
tinanong.
was. Ang punto, 84% of Filipinos favor nuclear.
Already.
84, that's a very big number.
In Bataan, between 60 to 70% of people favor nuclear. In Bataan.
Kung saan
Right?
dapat mas natatakot yung
The
mga
president won overwhelmingly in Bataan. People there, the voters there know his father built that plant. So
yeah.
what's the problem? What's the problem?
Yeah. But
No,
also-
it is ideological. Siguro nanumpa sa tatay nung buhay pa, we will never allow Bataan to operate. That's it. But they don't own the plant.
Yeah.
The Filipino people do.
Yeah, we paid for that and never got to use it.
I was always challenged in my district before. Ba't ka nakikialam sa Bataan? Di naman natin distrito yan. Sabi ko sa kanila, we have a stake of 500 million pesos in that plant. All districts in the Philippines, I have a right to meddle.
Yeah.
Because it's non-running, cost electricity to be expensive even in our district.
That was the effect.
Yeah,
Oo.
diba?
But Kong Mark, sabi mo nga sumilip sa iyo si PBBM at parang ikaw tinutukoy. May 2 taon pa, baka dapat bisitahin niyo na talaga sa Malacanang. Para
I
po
will
talaga,
try.
oo,
I will
para
try.
talaga
And
umusad.
I have a plan.
Because you have
I
the
really have
survey.
a concrete plan. Alam nyo, ang nuclear assets ng Pilipinas, the plant site, the nuclear village, the power line to Manila, the CBK pump storage, which PISAM sold with the approval of DOE, di ba?
What is a CBK, if you don't
The
mind?
CBK is a pump storage facility built in Laguna, in Caliraya and Laguna de Bay, right? That was intended to enhance the economic viability of the Bataan nuclear power plant. They sold it to the Aboitiz. I protested. I filed a case in the Supreme Court. I lost. I filed an appeal. I lost, right?
Oo.
But there are other ways to get that back. We can always expropriate that, right? Diba? If we can prove that it's needed.
Yeah, yeah.
Correct?
Is this where, if ever, the nuclear waste...
Sandali lang.
Okay.
Okay, so itong nuclear assets natin, may halaga ito sa aking tansya, tansya ko lang naman,
Yeah.
is $2 billion US dollars.
Okay. Oh.
Sabi ni KXIM sa Korea, we can help you finance your
Yeah.
nuclear aspirations, no? But you need 15% equity.
Of 2
Right?
billion.
So if 2 billion is equity and it represents 15%, the implication is we can borrow 14 billion US dollars. That's enough to build 3 more new plants in Bataan, AP1000s, which are 1,150 megawatts each. So the total capacity of Bataan will become 4,070. It is no longer a drop in the bucket.
It's
right?
substantial already.
Already.
4,000.
So, if ayaw talaga ni Bataan, let's do Pangasinan, let's do Isabela, let's do Masbate, Mindoro, Sorsogon, Northern Samar, they all want. They want.
Yeah, because manipis parate ang
and
kuryente doon.
they will try to negotiate for something for their locality.
Yeah.
Benefits, di ba?
And you don't need such a huge
But
plant anymore.
if we don't use Bataan, we need to appropriate the 15% equity. So let's appropriate
Related na, para maliit
$2
na
billion
lang.
or more, di ba? Let me ask you, ilang bilyon ba ang nawala sa walang saysay na flood control projects? Kung ginastos yung perang yon sa nuclear, we have very cheap electricity today.
Yeah, now we already
So, we
what's
missed the
Singapore
boat,
na is
right?
more
So,
na expensive. We're more expensive than Singapore.
Highest
So, I
tayo.
guess Kong Mark, at the end of the day, because you are such a staunch advocate of nuclear, we will rely on your
Thank you po.
expertise.
Thank you.
No, seriously, because
I need the
And your passion.
yeah, the passion.
I need the assistance of the media,
Media,
because
yeah.
my big criticism of the media is that for decades, they have maintained their obsolete narrative.
That it's not
The
safe.
first question is it safe?
Yeah.
Yes,
I mean,
yes.
I'm sick and tired
Yeah.
of answering that question.
Defending it, yeah.
Right? Look at the statistics. It is safe. Stop asking that question.
Yeah.
Right.
And
Diba?
30 years after,
Yeah.
di ba? I mean, there has progress already has been
And
made.
the world has moved on.
Exactly.
The world's media has moved on. Hey, stop being a follower. Be a leader.
And now there's empirical data to support
Exactly.
its
Kasi
safety.
nga, SWS survey says that 85% favor nuclear.
So, ibig sabihin, mas mataas na yung kamalayan ng mga Pilipino
Yes.
na sa benepisyo niya, di ba?
Kaya kailangan talaga continuous.
Now, ito pa isa. Si Bishop Sok Villegas, nagising ulit,
Pangasinan.
nag-issue ng pastoral letter na wag daw payagan yung nuclear plant sa Labrador, Pangasinan, my district. No?
Because?
Kinontra niya ako.
Bakit po?
The usual, right?
it's not
Ngayon,
safe.
ang dami niyang linista na bishop na pumirma doon. Kaibigan ko yung iba. Pinuntahan ko, Bishop, ikaw ba talaga? Akala ko ba
kontra.
pro-nuke ka? Hindi naman ako pumirma dyan. So why are they nagkakalat ng pastoral letter na di naman pala pumirma yung mga ibang sinasabi
Ganon?
nila doon? Yung sa Tarlac, yung sa Nueva Ecija, ang sabi nila sa akin, in fact, hindi pa namin alam kung ano ang posisyon namin sa nuclear.
Hindi pa
Dapat
na
magpresenta
di-discuss.
ka sa amin.
Correct.
So why ganon?
Pinangungunahan
Ang
na.
Santo Papa is from Chicago, Illinois, the number 1 state of nuclear in the United States. The governor of Governor Pritzker of Illinois just signed into law a new law saying that the moratorium on construction of large nuclear power plants is now lifted.
So pwede na.
nagkomentaryo ba si Santo Papa na, uy,
Bawal.
mali yan?
Oo.
Wala.
Oo.
So ba hindi nakikialam ang Katoliko,
Ang simbahan.
simbahang Katoliko sa ibang bansa. Bakit dito sa Pilipinas nakikialam sila?
Bakit nga ba, Kong?
Hindi ko
Bakit
nga
nga
alam.
ba? Ano yung iyong haka-haka?
Ang
Yung hypothesis?
haka-haka ko,
Oo.
hindi nila maamin na yung ibang binintang nila noon kay Marcos
30
Sr.
years ago.
ay mali.
But pride is a sin.
Kayo na po ang mag-argue.
Nako, so anyway, Mark, I'm sure this is not the last time because we will help you trumpet talaga your
Salamat po.
talaga. Kasi sabi ko anything to bring down the cost of electricity, di ba?
Yes.
So that's why
You know
sabi-
what the price of electricity is in Vietnam? 550 in the home.
Per kilowatt.
Here it's 16.
So,
16, correct.
16 grams. Sir, ito lang siguro a practical question naman na gusto
Yeah.
rin marinig ng mga ordinaryong Pilipino, no? Kapag ito po ay natuloy, and we want to be positive about it, pag
Yeah.
ito po ay natuloy na, finally operational na, magkano po yung matitipid namin? Halimbawa, if I consume 100.
Dalawa pong
or 200.
period yan. May capital recovery period of 20 years, right? But nuclear plants last 80 years. So, after mo mabawi ang kapital, 60 years na easy street ka. Ano ang presyo dito sa 60 years? 94 ang nuclear plant sa Amerika na fully amortized na. Na ayon sa EIA, 2.3 US cents per kilowatt hour. Nung 50 to 1 pa ang peso, that is 1 peso and 30
Ang mura
centavos
ng
per
kuryente.
kilowatt hour.
Ng kuryente.
Doblehin mo na para may kita yung kumpanya. It's still 260 per kilowatt
As opposed
hour.
to 16
Diba?
pesos.
But that
Wow.
was 50 to 1. I have
Now
not
it's
computed
60.
sa 60.
O, sabihin natin, mas
May
baka
bago ka
times
assignment,
2.
Dong.
Dito sa capital recovery period, syempre, kailangan bawiin yung
Siyempre.
kapital, di ba? May puhunan yan. So, basta cheaper than
20.
coal.
Yeah.
Saan papasok pa yun po sa consumers?
Ang sabi ni Manny Pangilinan, yung coal contract, 7 pesos, no, 15, 20-year contract, bibiling ko yung nuclear, pag
Nuclear.
5 piso lang yan.
Oo, basta mas mababa.
Oo. Pero there's enough money there to pay for the capital cost. Yeah.
Okay, so parang, pero kung Mark, sabi mo nga 80 years, 20 years parang recovery
Hirandam.
period, parang hindi na tayo buhay para maranasan
going?
natin yung pagmura
Alam
ng
mo, we are doing
kuryente.
this.
For our children and grandchildren na lang.
I just I have a newborn, third grandchild.
Child, oo. So for them
I
na
went
lang.
to see her.
Oo.
And it's for them.
Yeah, yun na lang.
They deserve a first-rate country.
Oo.
Not a...
Third rate.
Yeah.
Yeah. And cheaper by the time I can imagine, no, if already 62, it can't go any lower. For sure, tataas pa exchange rate
And for
natin.
sure, the depletion of the natural resources by then, di ba,
Yeah.
having a
thing
nuclear
is,
power plant will really help.
Why is the context perfect for nuclear, for the Philippines? Because we have no fossil fuel.
Fuels na use.
Vietnam
Oo.
has
Always
their
imported.
own coal mines.
Yes,
no?
oo.
We don't.
Indonesia, yes.
We import everything.
Oo, everything's imported. Okay, Kong Mark. So, if you need Rara girls to...
No, you are my Rara girl. You are my
So,
Rara
Rara
girl.
girls, you're always welcome to join us here po. Kaya nakasama po natin si Congressman Marco Wangco po ng 2nd District of Pangasinan. Sinusunod talaga niya po ang paggamit po ng nuclear para po talaga makatulong, makababa po sa presyo ng kuryente. Ayan, maraming salamat po, Kong Mark.
Thank you.
Sa
Thank
ulitin
you.
po.
Thank you,
Thank you very much, Kong
Thank you,
Mark.
Kong.
Thank you. At magbabalik po po ang ASPN.
Ano sa palagay nyo?